$392, back to another video. So this is the third video today. We did the springs, the lug nuts, and now we're gonna do the Spoiler King rear wheel spoiler. So I got it right here in the sun, like they said, get it in the sun 10 minutes, spend 10 minutes. So it's all flimsy and bendy, ready to go on it. So we're gonna put it on, and y'all stay tuned. Also too, if y'all haven't the like, subscribe, comment button, go ahead and do that. It should be right there, bam. Go ahead and hit that, and y'all stay tuned, we'll get into it. Session. Dirty as fuck.
What's on that shit? Why is it wet?
Fucking, I used it earlier.
Oh, yeah, that's why I don't want to use anything, because that film should be.
That was just water. Or just take it all off. It'd be easier.
I don't know.
And like, just don't. Like, push that shit as far as you can.
Yeah, that's all good. Hold up, hold up. That's why I knew. I was trying to do. I guess it does sit like that. This one?
That right corner. Yeah, there you go.
This bitch ain't going anywhere. That's 3M tape.
I think it adds a little. Yeah, it adds a little.
Little chunk.
That was Spoiler King. Got that for $125. Shout out Spoiler King sponsor. Yeah, that's a quick little video of that Spoiler King install. But if y'all haven't liked, subscribe, or comment, go ahead and do that. This is a little installation video. Trying to get this charger right. Springs is good, the lug nuts. I got some other things coming forward, so y'all stay tuned for that. But go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, comment button. Tell me what y'all think, what y'all want to know, what y'all want to see. And appreciate y'all. Y'all take it easy. was caught lacking. She got shot at. Some crackhead shot at her with a little 22. So I'm gonna show y'all it. Where's State Trooper Hanson at?
Right here. Contest?
So what happened? What happened?
Well, after my thorough investigation, I see that someone shot her shit.
Like, if it was
Big
just
holes,
my
big holes out here.
Like my tire, bro.
Tire.
God, I want to beat that little dinky ass man's life.
God damn.
Yo,
She got caught lacking?
Oh man.
you gotta keep that motherfucker on you.
I'll be.
God, like, like, God.
You got the blammy on him?
How the fuck did this even happen?
You wanna chop it up with him?
What's up, brother?
You won't.
How you doing, brother? He's cracking.
She got caught lacking.
Officer at the Chevron too, but I didn't take her.
Officer Hanson wasn't on duty today. You weren't on duty.
Yeah, what if the officer come out and folded him?
That'd be weak. Yeah.
You know, it's kind of a bad time, but
that
I mean, I'll walk.
Oh my car, come here.
Moving, Sergeant. Yes, Sergeant.
Yes, ma'am.
Something, Sergeant.
Fuck me. Yeah, facts. Right, sorry, moving, sorry.
All right.
It's dead.
It's dead?
Yeah. I had it for one day.
You gotta go buy a new one. So that's
You know
what
how
being
these,
gay feels like, huh?
Yeah, these puff bars.
Don't die.
Melon ice.
Don't die, baby.
Oh, your
Say
shit's
that.
dead.
Slide.
home?
Hey, who has a spare though? Oh, you got a spare? All right. I don't know about that.
I didn't want to be a party at Dawson's house.
Yeah, a party at my house, huh?
69, 420.
420
Big fella 8th Avenue.
All right, so when are we leaving here?
I don't know. Once all this shit goes away.
Where's the law at?
He's too busy yelling at someone.
Like, we literally probably 8.
All right, fucking. And
Click.
where's he at? Where's he at?
So, where were you seated? Backside.
No, we get off on you.
Hey, where's he at?
Come on.
Oh, is he over there?
What's up?
What's up? You wanna go? Fucking quick boom.
22 is probably in the tire.
Oh, dinky ass man.
Oh, the bullet's on the tire for sure.
Yeah.
Take the tire. open
Just
the
call
tire,
your insurance
Take the bullet.
and tell them you got clapped
That's your
at.
spare?
Yeah, that's a Mopar spare.
Is it?
Yes.
Have fun. It'll take whatever speed you want to give it. I popped my tire last weekend. You're good.
Yep, looks good.
And then I
Broken in.
then I drove home on. It was like 30 miles. It lived.
Oh, you're in
The ultimate donut.
What? The ultimate donut? Nah, I'm just trying to get the footage. It's content. It's the content.
Bro, hold on. Add me on the gram at Patrick
Yep.
J. Green, you know what I'm saying? JMT Pokes got a song dropping Monday, bro. Tap in with me, you
Okay.
feel me? Get right, get right. Yeah, we really got shot at though.
I'm sorry that she got shot at, but she owes me a puff.
He said he got shot at. I'm sorry. I'm
This is the
sorry.
most eventful night
I know.
And I wanted to stay home.
You know what I'm saying? Me too. Like,
Gotta keep the blammy on you. That's what it is. Gotta keep the blammy.
I gave it to her. It's all empty.
I mean, it was empty, of course. I was in the parking lot, the entrance. And then all of a sudden, shot went off.
But you all got military.
I was
Tip shit off at the dispatcher.
But if you were like